Ghost Trail, yeah, I'm a goat. What you want? Yeah, I'm a goat, yeah. Going to Lock City, yeah, I'm a goat. We're going to the city, what you want? Oh, yeah, welcome back to Let's Cook It Out. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese.
It's our mom's favorite recipe.
We got a nice recipe from my friend Sweet Balls.
Take this bowl of dry macaroni and pour in that boiling water. And when you pour it in, you make sure the water is salty as the sea. Give it a stir and then let it cook for about 5 minutes. Got that done, and now we're gonna start on our roux.
Our roux is equal parts of flour and butter. Spoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna put it into that saucepan.
Put the butter in the pan. Let it melt a bit and break it up a little bit with these wooden spatula. Slowly add the flour, Nancy.
You wanna cook the roux at a low heat.
This is a nice roux. You can smell it getting toasty. The trick to the good roux is just to keep stirring it. The longer you let it cook, the more flavor it gets.
You also want to put this heavy cream in a saucepan. You don't want to have a cold heavy cream in your roux.
So, let's do it. Pause for the buddies, go and turn it off so we can drain it.
Roasty toasty.
Looks like our cream is ready, so let's add it to our roux. So everything's in there. Now we season it. Nancy, you do the salt.
Okay. Couple pinches.
Give it a stir.
Now the red chunk mix.
So we grated up the nutmeg. Now we're going to pour it in.
Now my favorite part, the cheese. And that's mine. Not eat cheese, but very sorry guys. Very sorry for cheese.
This is shredded cheddar and grated Parmesan.
We like cheddar because it's melty. Just want to stir this till it's super melty. So just chop it up. Add the roasted garlic.
Adding oven roasted garlic.
Stir it all up.
It's looking really good. And now we're going to put it into the pasta.
Mix this all up good. This looks good. That's a new word, the panko. Panko breadcrumbs.
We like it crunchy on top.
This is so nice. It's so nice.
That looks good. Now we're gonna put it into a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes.
See you in 15 minutes. Now all that's left is to go out and eat them. Look, it's my mom's favorite. It's good. Thanks everybody for watching. Let's cook it out. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to comment what other foods you want us to make. See you next time in quarantine. Bye.